Breaking news coming in this hour, the DU drama escalating into a security nightmare now after students of Delhi University who are members of the All India Students Association were detained outside the Parliament Street metro station. These students were actually planning to meet President Pranab Mukherjee and seek his intervention in the standoff between the UGC and the Delhi University. Let's get a word from our correspondent Aditi Ananthanarayanan, who is joining us from the national capital. Aditi, I believe most students have now been detained because they're constantly travelling from Delhi University via the metro and coming to central Delhi.
Absolutely. In fact, all these students were sometime back present in North Campus of Delhi University. In fact, they were protesting here, after which they decided that they wanted to go and meet Pranab Mukherjee, the president of the country, who's also the visitor of Delhi University. So these are the students now. Now all these students got detained at the Central Secretariat metro station. They were taken to the Parliament Street police station. In fact, more and more students are now joining them from North Campus. They're traveling by metro and they are reaching the Central Secretariat metro station just to support these students who have been detained. Now, Simi, all these students who are now in Parliament Street police station, these were the students who had made up a memorandum which they wanted to submit to President Pranab Mukherjee. They had decided they did not have an official appointment with the president, but they thought that they would march from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. They would try and meet the president, give him a memorandum in which they would seek his intervention in the standoff between the UGC and the Delhi University. There are also the students who are for the rollback of the FIUP, and these are also the students who also have suggestions as to how the 4-year course can be converted into a 3-year program. Clearly, the war between the UGC and the Delhi University is escalating, with all the students also now pitching in and now taking to the streets to meet.
All right, the war pouring out in the streets of the capital. Students really losing their patience with the Delhi University, attempting to meet the president. They're getting onto metros from Delhi University and coming to Central Secretariat, where several of them have been detained. Aditi, this comes against the backdrop of another ultimatum being issued by the UGC to Delhi University, asking them to immediately start the admission process.
Absolutely. In fact, yesterday night, Simi, the UGC had sent an order to the Delhi University saying that all the 64 colleges of Delhi University should start the admission process on Thursday morning. Clearly, seeing those reports through the media, many students and parents reached the Delhi University campus hoping that the admission process will start. Clearly, the Delhi University Vice Chancellor and the officials are still sitting on the order because the colleges at this time cannot start the admission till the time they do not get a go-ahead from the university officials. Today in the evening at around 5 p.m. Simi, there is a high-profile meeting of the Standing Committee of UGC that is going to take place. They are going to discuss the new formula that has been suggested by various professors and academicians who are saying that there can be an easy rollout from the FIUP to the undergraduate 3-year program. Now, all of it is becoming extremely frustrating for the students because there is not a formal statement that has still now come out from the university authorities and officials as of now, Simi.